Here are some steps to create a successful salon business plan. But before we move on into today's section, please click on the like and subscription button, and thank you in advance. Hi, welcome to Beauty Hub. So yeah, you want to open your own salon business, or you just want to have one or two ideas about how to create a successful business plan. Here are some steps on what to do and how to go about it. Write a mission and vision statement. This articulates the immediate purpose of your salon business. Under this, you can state all the short-term goals that you plan on achieving with your salon within 6 months, stretching up to a year. Create an executive summary. This is a brief overview of your entire salon business plan. It should include your salon's name, location, services, target market, and financial projections. Analyze and identify your target market. This involves researching your potential customers and identifying their needs and preferences. Perform a competitor analysis. This involves researching your competitors and identifying their strengths and weaknesses. But before we proceed, just in case you're just joining, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for you to be able to get updates on new videos. Thank you, I appreciate, and let's continue. Write your salon's business description. This should include your salon's names, location, services, target market, and financial projections. Make strategies for advertising and outreach marketing. This involves creating a marketing plan to promote your salon and attract new customers. Figure out your financial plan. This involves creating a budget and financial projection for your salon business. I hope this helps, and I wish you a successful salon business plan execution. This is Beauty Hub, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.